Hey guys, welcome to my channel Be So Trendy. So this video is all about business tips in 60 seconds. So I'm gonna ask you a question. Are you tired of your 9 to 5 job and you really want to start some business in your life? So no worries, I'm here to share with you some amazing business tips on each episode which might help you in your life at any point of time. So today's video is all about business tip number 1. So let's get into the video. So the very first step to start your business is do what you love. Running your own business is not like your 9 to 5 job. You always have to be ready to work at any time and anywhere. So make sure you are interested in what you do so that you can really enjoy spending your time and energy in the business that you love. So that's the tip number 1. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon for further updates.